Hey guys, it's Pandora, the Postcard Diva. How's everybody doing? Hope you're having a great day. Real quick, guys, I want to show you my 2 direct mail programs that I'm promoting at the present. Okay, right here, I'm promoting. This is a postcard program, postcard only. It's the Postcard Tycoon. It pays $300 per sale. Okay, there's no pass ups. For everybody that joins you in the Tycoon, you make 300 bucks, okay? And you're gonna receive a money order. Call that number and check it out. Go to my website and check that out as well. Now, the Tycoon comes with 250 postcards, just like what you see here in color, okay? And it comes with 250 leads, okay? And on every 5th sale, see, I'm gonna zoom in on it. On every 5th sale, the company's gonna send you 500 free postcards, 500 free leads, which is names and addresses of people that's interested in making money from home, and 500 stamps. That's powerful. Every 5th sale for life, okay? So go there and check that out. And if you join me in the Tycoon, I'm going to also send you 250 leads. It comes with 250, and I will send you 250, okay? Now, my other direct mail program is Impact Mailing Club. This is the flyer, okay? With this one, you make $65, $150, $300, or $1,000. But you're going to mail flyers with this one, okay? And as you can see, I've got leads right under here. Now with this one, you get commissions and you get stamps, okay? And it comes with leads because it is a lead program, okay? You're gonna pick one of those levels and join. It comes with the leads. Whatever leads the company sends you, I'm gonna match that, okay? Then you join me, you'll also get my custom envelope, okay, to put your letter in. And my custom cover letter, okay? So 2 great programs. You just decide, do you want to mail postcards, make $300 a sale, okay? Or do you want to mail flyers? You decide. Either way, I'm going to match the leads, okay? So I'm going to put the link below for both of these. Go ahead and join me. Check them both out. If you have any questions after you've gone to the website, jot them down and give me a call, okay? Look forward to working with you guys. You guys have a blessed day.